Hello everyone, welcome to GooCampus. This is Ashwini with you. Now, are you looking forward to work as a doctor in Australia? Are you looking for a strong support system? Are you looking for a structured course and mentorship program for your AMC CAT MCQ preparation and AMC Clinical? So you are at the right place. Now, as you can see on your screen, to work in Australia, you have three different pathways, that is standard pathway, competent pathway and specialist pathway. Under standard pathway, you have two different routes, AMC CAT MCQ plus clinical exam or AMC CAT MCQ plus WEA. Now, what are the essentials to pass your AMC CAT MCQ test? You need relevant study materials, that is the right books for preparation. You need relevant question banks. You need good recalls. You need to have good trial exams. You need a set schedule, that is timetable for your preparation. It is great to have a study partner or a study group so that you're there with people who are in the similar phase like you. It's great to have right mentorship and guidance from doctors who've already gone through your phase, and you need right focus and right approach for your exam. So, what our course offers for you? You have interactive live training, you have access to recorded lectures, you have lecture notes and presentations given to you after the class. We will have personalized assessment of your mock exam scores to analyze where you're strong, where you're weak, and how you should focus on your preparation. We have exclusive 2 days recall session. You will get access to all the relevant study materials and Q banks. You will be able to find the right study partner. You have study groups. You will have structured study plan given to you by the Australian tutors. You will have WhatsApp group for question and answers. You will have complete mentorship from your preparation stage till you move to Australia. So we run only 3 batches a year. If you wish to enroll for the upcoming AMC CAT MCQ course, then talk to us today because we've already completed enrollments for the upcoming batch. Now, I told about our course, but what is unique about our program, or why must you take up our course? Now, I can say the answer is we understand what you need in your preparation phase. We listen to our doctors. We take feedback of our doctors very seriously. We talk to our doctors who passed the exams and who couldn't make it in their attempts. Based on their feedback, we constantly improve our course to help you pass your exam. The second advantage is all our tutors are doctors from India who have passed their exams, that is AMC Part 1 and Part 2, and who are currently working in Australia. These are the doctors who've already gone through your path. It's not new for them. So they are able to share the right approach, right strategies, and they're able to share with you what worked for them and how should your preparation strategy be to pass your exams in your first attempt. So we offer you not just training, but complete support from your ECFMG AMC portfolio stage till you move to Australia to ensure you have a very smooth transition in the entire phase. So now you know about AMC course and what we provide. Now you must be having a thought on your mind, why Australia, or what are the benefits for doctors? So the first benefit is AMC exam can be written multiple times. There is no cap on number of attempts and there is no fixed period of validity of the exam. Next advantage is you have long-term visa for parents. You have great work-life balance there, great pay. You can experience international training, and AMC CAT MCQ dates are available every month. And AMC Part 1 and AMC Part 2 can be written from India. You can apply for jobs after passing the AMC CAT MCQ plus your English language test. I don't see any other country giving you this option. And the best part is the English test exam can be given later after you pass your AMC MCQ test. So if you wish to know more about our course, or if you want to register for our course, talk to our counselors today for all the further details that you wish to know about working as a doctor in Australia. So thank you so much and all the very best to each one of you watching this video. Thank you.